Hello, and welcome back into another installment in our financial literacy series. Last time we learned about inflation and interest, so if you missed it, go back and watch that installment after finishing this one. Today we will be learning about credit cards and the concept of credit scores. This concept is very important in our developing society, as it tackles the method by which many purchase goods and services. A credit card is simply a plastic card that allows the individual cardholder to borrow money from a bank or other institution. Of course, this needs to be paid back. In 1950, the Diners Club launched the first credit card in the country. Customers could charge their meals to their accounts thanks to the device, which was made for use in eateries. The original Diners Club card was cardboard and could only be used in a small number of New York City eateries. In 1958, American Express unveiled its own credit card that could be used at a larger variety of retailers. The customer's name and account number were printed on a plastic card. The first all-purpose credit card was introduced by Bank of America in the 1960s and later took the name Visa. Soon after, other big credit card firms such as MasterCard did likewise. In the decades that followed, credit cards quickly gained in acceptance. Credit cards were extensively accepted at most retailers by the 1980s, when they had become a popular way to make purchases. Credit card use increased even more in the 1990s as e-commerce and online purchasing flourished. Today, credit cards are used in billions of transactions annually, making them a commonplace part of contemporary life. As previously mentioned, a credit card allows the holder to borrow money. Let's see how this process works. To initially get a card, you must apply at a specific bank or institution. Each of these institutions offers their own personalized card. Once your application is accepted, you are officially a credit card holder. Congrats. Now, whenever you choose to make a purchase with your credit card, you are spending currency on the institution's behalf. The amount of the good or service is added to your credit balance. At the end of the month, you will receive a statement which will contain your due credit balance, interest charges, and any other fees that you would need to provide. At this point, there will be a requirement for you to pay your fees to some extent. If the whole payment is not fulfilled, there will be interest charged on the remaining. We recommend paying the full balance as soon as possible to avoid the buildup of this interest on your account. The amount that is able to be borrowed is based on a numerical scale known as a credit score. A credit score measures creditworthiness and typically ranges from 350 to 850. The creditworthiness of a cardholder allows institutions to understand past behaviors of a cardholder, allowing them to decide whether or not to offer a loan or extend credit for that specific individual. There are several ways an individual can keep a good standing of creditworthiness. The first step to achieving your credit goal is to simply make the payments on time, preferably in full. By making payments on time, you show the potential lender that you are a low-risk client. Other methods of keeping a good standing include low credit utilization, long credit history, and credit report monitoring. Through these steps, you can achieve a high-quality credit score and commit to larger purchases. The benefits of becoming a credit card holder include many rewards. Cardholders can gain many rewards from simply using a credit card. There are possibilities of making back some percentage of cash on every transaction. Utilizing a credit card and additional rewards can be awarded for obtaining a high credit score. When it comes to maintaining a credit card, there are many steps that must be completed. By doing so, you can live a less stressful life and experience many impactful moments in your journey as a consumer. Here are some tips we would like to provide on this topic. First of all, make sure not to overspend on credit cards. Based on past consumer behavior, there have been trends of individuals ending up high debt due to irrational spending. We also recommend always keeping a track on credit reports, as they may contain very important information about your spending that may have gone unnoticed. With this information, we hope you can successfully achieve your financial goals and utilize a credit card in a benefiting way by maintaining a high credit worthiness. Thank you for watching this week's video. Please like the video if you enjoyed it.